Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2020, even though New Year's last month, but it's okay. But I'm excited because I have a new video. Today's video, I'm going to be organizing the refrigerator. If the refrigerator is organized, that just helps our hectic life, you know, just a little bit. I got this plastic bin right here. I'm gonna probably put, I don't know what I'm gonna put in yet until I actually look in my refrigerator and see what's in there. I got something for my eggs. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So I got 14. I didn't want to get the small one because I don't like keeping the cartridges in the refrigerator. So I got 14, so that will work. So I bought this one and it came into a set of 3. So then I got this big one here and I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in here, but this one, so yeah, so the ID, I left one on here so you could see. This is the brand, the label that this is the brand that I'm talking about. Glass containers, the last 2 glass containers that I got, it's in the vegetables. So I left the tag on there and these were $5.99 and I feel like this is really good quality. The glass is pretty sturdy, it's really thick. This brand was a different brand, but I'm gonna try it out and see. So let's just get started.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking.
So for this container, I've decided to put my tomatoes, my lemons, my chilies, and my onions, just so it's easy access.
I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
So I feel like Daniel Jr. is gonna love this one the most because he loves his yogurt.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Okay guys, so now once I finish organizing the refrigerator and adding little inserts in, I actually really like it. It came out pretty good and I feel like I'll be able to be organized somewhat. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. It feels so good to film another video and get it out there. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.